Hi everyone, I wanted to show you another doll tutorial with making a mask. So for this one I wanted to make a gas mask on her. The idea behind this doll is she's a doll that it's a person that is going trick-or-treating, and for their Halloween mask they've found this weird old gas mask, and that's what they've decided to wear for their costume. I will make an outfit for her at some point. For now I've just got her in some normal clothes. So I started off with some epoxy sculpt and applied that to the face, and then smoothed it down with a bit of water, and then made sure that the edges were nice and neat by cutting them with my craft knife. Then using my sculpting tool I went round the tube that I've made for the front by the mouth. This is going to be like part of the breathing apparatus that the mask contains. Whoops, sorry about the lack of focus. My camera's been playing up, well, my phone's been playing up I should say. Then what I did next is I rolled up some balls of epoxy sculpt and inserted those in the eye area. This is to make the eyes of the mask, and then I'm just using the end of a broken clay tool that's got a hole in it. You could use the end of a pen, like an old ballpoint pen, and I used that to create those circle shapes in the centre of the eyes. Then added a circle of epoxy sculpt, well, a sphere of epoxy sculpt to the cheek of the mask, and then flattened it down a bit, and then just used my craft knife to add textures, to add the meshing for the respirator part of the mask, and to add the tubing to the front part of the mask, just so it looks like flexible tubing, like so. Then I rolled up some more clay into more of a sausage shape and used that to make the straps for the mask. And then I've just used my dotting tool to create like an area where the strap is attached to the mask. I am going to make it look more like it's sort of like a rivet, but at the minute that's just like the indentation, and I'll put something in there for the rivet later on. Then I decided to add another respirator at the top, like so, another like filter type thing for the mask, and then just went round refining any details and smoothing details out. I then painted it black using the technique I showed you in the other video for the masks, and then used a baby wipe to wipe off some of the paint to create this effect, and that's what she looks like so far. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.